So welcome back to the Sawmill, guys. This is just a real quick update here. At the first of this video, I showed some logs getting loaded onto my trailer over the weekend, and we'll talk about that in the next video because we'll be sawing up some white oak tomorrow and maybe some butternut. No, I got pine between that. We'll be doing white oak tomorrow and butternut a little bit further down the road. But we'll talk about those logs then. One of those logs is really special. There's a really good story behind it. But the reason I'm doing this video today, guys, is to let you all know I'm going to be on a different YouTube channel tomorrow at about 10 o'clock, maybe 9:30 Eastern time. And the YouTube channel is Jason Knight. And you may have heard of him before. He's a pretty famous blade maker. He was on the Forged and Fire series as a judge, the first or second season, I believe. He just lives about 25 minutes from here, but his shop is actually about 10 minutes down the road, which is pretty nice. I've never even been over there before. I'm looking forward to checking it out. So what we're going to do is, he's going to have a camera crew set up. They'll be doing a live video on his YouTube channel. There's a link down below. So go subscribe to his channel. And in the morning, wait around about 9:30 or 10 and we'll be going live on there. And what we're going to be doing is making a tool here for the sawmill. I'm not going to let you guys know right now what tool we're making because it might change between now and then. But I will tell you this, it's not a knife. He's really well known for his knives. And we will not be making a knife tomorrow. We'll be making something probably he's never made before. So if you're quarantined like the rest of us are, go ahead and have your computer ready in the morning and your phone, whichever, or however you watch videos. And kind of be on standby mode because these live videos, you don't really get a good notice on those until they actually start. But it should be pretty interesting though. Jason's a really good bladesmith. He's world famous for his blades. And I'm really looking forward to watching him work, and maybe he'll let me use his power hammer. I've always wanted to use a power hammer. So everybody take care, and we'll see you back tomorrow on the live feed, and we will be running the sawmill here as well tomorrow afternoon. We're going to be sawing up some white oak for the drying shed and working on some of this timber in here. I gotta get this barn done. It should have already been done by now.